We are very excited to introduce to you Tech Integration Team Drives. These are drives in your Google Drive that are packed full of technology resources made by teachers for teachers that you can use in your classroom. Specifically, there are folders for K through 2 to be used with iPads and Seesaw, and grades 3 through 5 for Chromebooks and Schoology. Now, not all the grades have been completed yet, but they are in the works. To locate team drives and the folder structure, you will go to your Google Drive. Now, you will only see team drives if you have been added to them. If you do not have access to those drives, please see your digital learning specialist for access. So you can see here on the left-hand side, my drive is there, which is typically available, and right underneath that, there's a new one called Team Drives. Underneath that are the team drives that I have access to, and there will be different drive folders for the different grade levels. Notice there is a folder structure underneath that you can explore by clicking the little arrows in front of the folders. Now, inside of these folders are a wide variety of resources. Many of them for K2 involve QR codes that students can scan with Seesaw or a QR code reader. It takes them to a Buncee or an activity that they can complete in Seesaw. There are other ones for grades 3 through 5, which include graphic organizers and things that can be linked into Schoology for students to complete as learning activities. Now, we encourage people to add materials to the team drive. This is a sharing location, so you can do this a couple different ways. You can create a new file directly in Team Drive simply by navigating to the folder that you want to put it in, clicking on New, and choosing the type of document that you want to add there. Now, please note that other people can edit the things that you put in here, but they cannot delete your work. So if you're concerned about people changing what you've done, please make a copy of it and then move it into this team drive. And actually, that's the second choice you have. You can choose to create something in your regular drive and then move it to team drive. So what you would do is you would click on the item in your drive, click on the 3-dot icon up on the top menu bar, choose Move To, and then you can select the team drive as the new destination. Again, if you want to preserve your original copy, you may want to copy it first and then move that copy to Team Drive. One thing to consider is if you are putting videos in these team drives for students to access, say with a QR code, you will want to change the sharing rights. So click on the file, click on the little chain link up on the top, make sure link sharing is turned on, and then make sure that it's set to anyone with the link can view. If it's not that, change the sharing settings by clicking the sharing settings button. Now, we want to keep the drive organized, so please try to follow the folder structure that's already in place, but also realize that team leaders may need to add new folders or reorganize the system from time to time as new content becomes available. So we hope you enjoy exploring the resources in these shared drives. We think that they will be great ways for you to integrate technology into your classrooms. If you have any questions, please contact your digital learning specialist.